Hi, my name is Samantha. Welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a Hobby Lobby haul. Let's get into it. All of the fabric for today is for a commission piece. I did not purchase any of this fabric, so I am still in my no spending. I have not spent any money on fabric this year. I'm very proud of myself. This is our third haul, so the first two were gifts, and then this fabric is a commission piece. I am not open to commissions. However, the person who requested these items was very influential, so I will be doing this project for her. It was my mother. Thank you, Mom, if you're watching this video. I will be sure to make these items as fast as possible. What we've got here is some different items to do placemats, napkins, coasters, and some jar openers. So these trucks here are going to be napkins. And then these two pieces here, oh, that's upside down. So this is more of a script piece, and then this is just a floral piece, are going to be the one side of the placemat, and then this blue will be the other side. So it'll be a set of 8 placemats with 4 of them being this gray and the other 4 being this gray. So that'll be cool that there will be kind of a mix and match of sets. All 3 of the first ones were quilting cotton. This is linen. So I think that'll be really fun to work with. I've not worked with linen before. This piece here is to be made into some jar openers. And then I also have this interfacing. I have not used this particular interfacing, so this one is Pellon, let's see here. Pellon Fusible Thermolam Plus TP971F. I usually use fusible fleece. This is a little thicker, so I think it'll allow for softer placemats as well as coasters. So this will be really fun. I will be sure to do a follow-up video once I have made the items and you guys can see what the progress will look like. Let me know what your favorite fabric was in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.